This Miami influencer spent $10K to have her virginity restored like an old Cadillac, and that's not even the craziest part of the story. This is Julia Metaheros, and for all she has in perfect genetics, she felt that she was lacking in hymen. She underwent a $10,000 surgery that rebuilt her hymen like Iron Man rebuilt Robert Downey Jr.'s career. People say her baby cave looks like new. But here's the most messed up part. She did this because she hated the way she lost her virginity, which makes sense because it goes like, I was a 17-year-old teenager when I lost my virginity to a 30-year-old guy. Excuse me? How is the headline not manhunt started for 30-year-old creep? And follow me, you fucking idiots.